This just into the 10 News Live Center. The San Diego mayor's office tweeting this out just a few minutes ago, saying that San Diego has been working with the state to find temporary shelter for migrants being released from federal processing at the border. Now, this tweet has a letter attached to it. If you can click there, you can see that the mayor has identified a possible location, naming the Camp Barrett Youth Correctional Facility in Alpine, saying that that could be a suitable location. We'll keep you updated on this developing story and bring you more updates as it becomes available. In the Live Center, Anthony Pura, 10 News.
Thank you.